Hello friends, family, total strangers. Today's video is about this place. This is Mytree Lake. This is near Yuma, Arizona. I've been camped here for 10 days. There's a 10-day limit, so I'm leaving today. But it's been lovely, lots of birds. It's nice being camped in Arizona on the water. For the 5 days before I was here, I was at Fortuna Lake, which is more of a pond, really. And it was really packed there. There was a lot of people packed around. You know, the spots are all just like back to back around the lake. And I had a little site on the river kind of off by itself. It was nice, but I like it much better out here. So yeah, Mytree Lake, 10 days. There's some palm trees, lots of birds. Beautiful. And yeah, you know, I don't have a lot to say in this video. I've got lots of cooking I've done. So I'm just kind of gonna offload a bunch of cooking footage from the last 2 weeks. My little experiment of settling down for a while and not moving has worked out pretty well. I have been a little restless though. I've moved spots. So even though I haven't moved my main area, I have moved sites just like down a campsite a couple of times. But yeah, it's awesome out here. There are some ATVs around. It's the weekend, but weekdays are pretty quiet. So yeah, let me cut you to that cooking footage. Yum. Well, that was awesome. I always like to make up a little extra so I can turn this into another meal, maybe a quesadilla or something like that. So, but yeah, that was a delicious breakfast. I will say it's fun to be cooking again. I had a little period there at the beet harvest and when I was on the road where I wasn't really cooking, and yeah, I just made up a big fancy breakfast and yeah, it was awesome. I feel like that's something for me, like usually when I'm feeling kind of depressed and down and all that, it directly coincides with whether I'm cooking for myself or making like convenience meals. Like I'm just a happier being when I'm eating good food. And yeah, fruits and vegetables, fresh fruits and vegetables obviously make a big difference too. So yeah, awesome. Little chicken sausage fettuccine with some vegetables and Parmigiana Reggiana. Awesome. Little egg veggie scramble with some hash browns. Breakfast is definitely my favorite meal. Some potato pancakes. I've never tried these before, so we'll see how it comes out. It's just potato and egg, tablespoon of flour, and a little garlic, salt and pepper, and onion. So, yeah, we will find out. Well, there they are. I don't know if I should try putting syrup on them or not. With garlic and onion, that might be weird. I guess you're probably just supposed to eat them like they are. So yeah, they're good. I think they'd be good as a side dish for dinner, like just a quick and easy side dish for dinner. If I was to do them for breakfast again, I'd probably leave out the onions and garlic and serve them with syrup. And I bet they would be delicious. But yeah, no, they're good. New territory for me. About to make a little curry. We're going to do a red curry with eggplant and mushrooms. Yum. Not the most beautiful dish, but looks good to me. A couple of veggie breakfast burritos. Yummy. A little Parmesan crusted grilled cheese. Got some apple cinnamon pancakes cooking up here. We'll see how these are. Okay, obviously I liked those. A little tuna and arugula wrap, some tomatoes and Parmesan. This is essentially a salad. That's avocado on the bottom there. This is a Parmesan crusted piece of bread. This is pretty much a salad on top of a piece of toast. Pretty good. Potato, ginger, egg, onion, green peppers, and yeah, we're gonna do a little, oh, and there's some Thai basil in there as well. We're gonna do a little Thai omelet over rice for breakfast. Oh yeah, and of course fish sauce, which is pretty much how they salt everything in Thailand. I topped it with a little fried garlic, which you can get at an Asian grocery store. And then that is a homemade sambal from somebody in Bali. Long story, but yes. Little gnocchi with vegetables and parm. Looks pretty good. Getting ready to do a little fake chicken pad thai. I didn't quite have all of the ingredients to make an authentic pad thai, but I think that's going to be pretty good. I'm going to make a quick little 1 tomato salsa. I don't have enough room in my fridge for leftovers, so 1 tomato salsa. About to do a little chicken and black bean burrito. I think that's the plan. Here's a little pro tip. When you're living the old van life, it's much easier to deal with cutting up cooked chicken rather than raw chicken. So I always cook it in the pan and then cut it up into whatever I'm doing usually. Just makes it easier to clean up. There we go. Little chicken, black bean, and veggie burritos. Little morning coffee. Couple of over easy eggs, all spruced up. This is a little bit of an experiment. I have no idea how it's going to come out. I guess this is a frittata that I'm going to do. It's egg and cream with some Parmesan, and then cabbage, zucchini, carrots, and yeah, I did add a little flour and garlic and fresh basil, so we'll see how this turns out. I'm gonna cook it in a fry pan. Well, it's not quite the work of art that I was hoping for, but it is delicious. Next time I think I will try it a little smaller and in my pot, because I think I can put the lid on it that way, and yeah, I can just control it a little better. So I think that's the plans for next time, but yeah, it's delicious. Cheeseburger with a little grass-fed beef and a fried egg, some grilled onions, tomato. Yum. I totally nailed this. A nice mid-rare burger, somewhat gooey egg. Yeah, this is awesome. Attempt 2 at the frittata. It came out okay. I feel like the best way to do this actually will be in the little Road Pro oven. Might be the best for the frittata attempt. So I guess for the next one, that's what I'll try. A little quesadilla action. I made a Mexican coleslaw to go with it. Made a little whipped cream. This is a pretty decadent breakfast. Burger time. Oh, there we go. That's pretty much all I have to say in this video. I'm gonna get better about filming camp and what I'm doing in camp. I just haven't quite nailed this format yet, but thanks for watching anyway, and hopefully this will get better. Okay. Thanks for watching.